How to fix hidden option missing on Photos app on iPhone. Hello everyone, if you are facing this kind of issue where the hidden option are missing on Photos app, then follow these steps. Firstly, open settings on your device. In settings, scroll down and select the option General. Inside General, look for the option Software Update and click on it. Now check for any software updates that may be available for your device. If there are software updates available, then update those. If not, then go back to your settings page and scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom, select the option Apps. Now go to the search bar on the top and look for the app Photos. Open Photos and scroll down. Here you will see the option Show Hidden Albums. Make sure that this option is turned on. Now go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. After restarting your device, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.